a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in a line. So there are 10 potatoes in a line means n is equal to 10. Is it? A bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter from the first potatoes. Is it? It is A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3. So we get, without drawing also you can know that n is 10, A is 5, D is 3. Is it? Why? Because the other potatoes are placed at 3 meter apart in a straight line. Is it? So let's put this in the equation.
Okay, so here the competitor take the first potatoes which 5 meter apart from the bucket. Is it? So the distance, so what he does is that he ran from here, start running from the bucket, he pick up the potatoes and close and put them in the bucket. Is it? For second time again he is running. So what is distance is covering? 5 plus 3, 8, and again back returning. So 8 plus 8, 16. Is it? So again he start running back. So what is cover? 5 plus 3 plus 3. Is it? 5 plus 3 plus 3. So what did it become? 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 and double. So it will become 22. Is it? So like this what we got. For the first distance is covering 10. For second potatoes is covering is 16 meter, and for the third 22. So what we get? APS 10, 16, 22. So A is equal to 10, D is equal to 6, and N is equal to 10. So Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to, okay, we can write S10 also. Here in place of N we can place 10 also. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2A, 2 into A is 10 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9 into 6. So 54 plus 20, that is 74. 74 into 5, it becomes 370 meter. Is it? Which term of AP 121, 117, 13 is the first negative term? Okay, so we have to put first negative term means AN is less than 0. We got AP 121, 117 and 13. So A is equal to 121, D is minus 4. So AN is less than 0 because we are talking about the first negative term. Is it? Negative term means less than 0. So substitute the formula of AN. Is it? So AN, you can write in this way also. You can substitute the value, or I am writing here. You can also write that AN is less than 0. So what we will say? AN is what? A plus N minus 1 into D. Is it? Is less than 0.
What is A? 121. 121 plus N minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 4 is less than 0. So we can get as minus into minus plus. So we will get 121 plus multiply with, so it will become minus 4n, minus into minus plus 4n less than 0. So what I get? 125 minus 4n is less than 0. Is it? So take on that side, so it will become positive. So 125 is less than 4n. If you divide this fraction, what you will get here? You will get 125 minus 4n is less than 0. So if you divide this by 125 by 4, you will get n. So 125 by 4 is less than n. So what fraction if you simplify? But by dividing 125 by 4, we get 31, 1 is to 1 integer 4. Is it? So now this is a fraction. What is the closest number or nearest number
231 is 32, is it? So n being the number of terms is a positive integer, so the smallest number satisfying n is equal to 31 integer 1 by 4 is 32. So hence 32 term of AP is the first negative term. The sum of, on to second question, the sum of the third and the seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of the first 16 term of an AP. So sum means addition. The sum of the third and the seventh term written, is it, of an AP is 6 and the product is 8. Sum means addition and term means third term. Third, here term means indicate this is third, so A3 and A7, is it, A6, and the product means A3 into A7 is 8. So find the sum of the first 16 sum. Here last we have to find the sum. Sum means S16 we have to find of an AP. So let's check. A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. So A3 is what? A plus 2D, and A7 is what? A plus 6D is equal to 6. So A plus A, 2A. For 2 plus 6, 8. So if you take 2 common, so you will get in the bracket A plus 4D. If you divide it by 2, so you will get A plus 4D is equal to 3. Now the next is A3 into A7 is 8. So A plus 2D into A plus 6D is equal to 8. Is it? Now how to substitute? Can you convert this into a form of this one? Yes, we can. Is it? But how we can do it? See, it is A plus 2D. So you can write A plus 4D minus 2D. Is it? So what will get A, and so why we are doing that? So we know the value of A plus 4D, therefore we are converting it. Is it? So this A plus 2D can be written as A plus 4D minus D, and 6D can be written as, you can put in them in the bracket. It's better to put them in the bracket. Is it? A plus 4D plus 2D. Is it? Now what is A plus 4D? A plus 4D is 3. So 3 minus 2D. You will get here 3 minus 2D. A plus 4D plus 2D. In place of A plus 4D, what you are substituting? 3. So you will get 3 plus 2D. Now this become A minus B and A plus B. A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square, which is equal to 8. Is it? So here what you get? 3 square minus 2D square is equal to 8. So 9 minus this 4D square is equal to 8. So 9 minus 4D square is equal to 8. If you bring it on this side, take this on other side, so it will become plus. Bring 8 inside, it will be minus, so it will be 1. 1 is equal to 4D square. So D square, what is the relations of 4 and D square? Multiplication, so it will go in division, so D square is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so D is equal to root 1 by 4. Root 1 by 4 means was plus minus 1 by 2. So is equal to D. Okay, now substituting the value of D as 1 by 2 in the equation first. What do you get? A is equal to 1. Again substituting the value of D as minus half. We'll get the equation A is equal to minus 5. How you do it? See, A plus 4D is equal to 3. So A plus 4D into D. D is what? Half is equal to 3. So 2 and 2 will cancel out. So A plus 2D is equal to 3. Plus will move on other side. It will be become minus. So A is equal to 3 minus 2. So A is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, substituting the value of D as minus half in the first equation only, what we get? A plus 4 into minus 1 upon 2. So 2 cancel out. So remaining will be 2. 2 into minus, so you will get minus 2. So A minus 2 is equal to 3. minus 2 moves on other sides, it will become plus. So A is equal to 5. Is it? Now S16 we have to find. S16 you have to find. So we'll have two S16. One with A as a 1 and D is equal to half, because D value is 2. Half and minus half. So now D is equal to 1. Sorry, A is equal to 1 and D is equal to half. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a n minus 1 into D. If you simplify first, so you'll get S16 is equal to 16 by 2, 2a is 1, so 2 into 1, n minus 1, 16 minus 1 into half. Okay, 16 minus 1 is what? 15. So 15 into half. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Here, if you divide 16 by 2, then you will get 8. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get 4. LCM you have to take here 2. Is it? So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 15 is 19. So 19 by 2 and 8 you have to continue. Is it? So now this 2 and this 8 will cancel out. So it will remain 4. 4 into 19. So 4 into 19 is 76. So S16 is 76. Now for A is equal to 5 and D is equal to minus half. Is it? If you substitute the same way, what you will get? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. A is 5, this is 16, so 16 minus 1, 15, minus half, so it will be minus into plus minus, so minus 15 by 2, it is a 10. If you take LCM of LCM, then what you will get here? 2, so 20 minus 15 is 5, 5 by 2. Okay, again the 2 will cancel with 4. So what you will get? Left with 4 5s are 20. So S16 is 20.